The Business Leadership Awards are the last word and final seal of approval of your commitment to the business leadership and hence customer satisfaction and delight. Worldwide Achievers Private Limited, erstwhile Time Research Private Limited, Business Leadership Awards 2013 honor the top banking sector, telecom industry, manufacturing industry, service and technology provider, education service, healthcare and wellness, hospitality, leisure and tourism, real estate companies and more. So tonight I extend a warm welcome to each one of you once again to the Business Leadership Awards 2013. Each one of you is a champion sitting out here and we will be discovering more about the titles that you are going to receive, but now is the time to extend a special welcome, to give a warm round of applause to our chief guest for the evening. Ladies and gentlemen, give a warm round of applause to Shri M.S. Bitta, Chairman, Anti-Terrorist Front, former President, All India Youth Congress, former Cabinet Minister. Shri M.S. Bitta's noble mission to spread awareness against the menace of terrorism among the people through his voluntary organization, Christian All India Anti-Terrorist Front, has rekindled the fire of patriotism among the youth. With a wide network of spread across the country, the movement has received good dividends and holds tremendous appeal amongst the youth. Bullets and bombs do not scare him anymore, as he has savored through of them since the day he declared a war on the enemies. Overtaken by a single purpose, Bitta defies death to achieve his goal in the midst of an extremely hazardous task to wipe out terror monetary support. Expressing our sincere gratitude, paying our prayers to the Almighty, we begin this auspicious evening with all of you, ladies and gentlemen. So the auspicious lamp is lit. So are we ready to kickstart this evening? Awards 2013. The first award for tonight would be Most Promising SME of the Year. And for the award ceremony, may I please invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Shri M.S. Bitta, on stage. He will be felicitating our awardees. He will be gratifying the awardees. So may I please call you on stage. May I please request and invite Shri M.S. Bitta, our Honorable Chief Guest for the evening, to kindly join us on the... Welcome you again, sir. And also we have amongst us now our Chief Guest, Shri Subodh Kant Sahai, Honorable Member of Parliament, former Cabinet Minister for Tourism. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and give a warm welcome to Shri Subodh Kant Sahai. Shri Subodh Kant Sahai is a member of the 14th Lok Sabha of India. He represents the Ranchi constituency of Jharkhand and is a member of the Indian National Congress political party. He has been holding important portfolios. He was the Cabinet Minister for Tourism till 28th October 2012. He is referred as one of the closest to the Prime Minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh, and UPA Chairperson, Srimati Sonia Gandhi. According to the sources known for his truth and hard work, he was the Minister for Home in VP Singh government. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and please extend a warm welcome once again to Shri Subodh Kant Sahai. Welcome you, sir. And now we will be beginning our prestigious awards ceremony, that is Business Leadership Awards 2013. The first title is Most Promising SME of the Year. And the award goes to Himalayan Polymer Industries. And from the same, may I please request and invite on stage Mr. Suresh Singhal, Managing Director, Mrs. Deepthi Singhal, Head Corporate Communication, and Ms. Pragya Sureka, Senior Marketing Manager. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and welcome our winners on stage. Most promising SME of the year, Himalayan Polymer Industries. And also we would like to, congratulations to the winners. Congratulations. The next award is for education. Congratulations. Moving forward, I would now like to announce the next title. It is for the fastest growing company, and it goes to MS Fairwell Securities, and apparently we don't have the winners over here. Mr. Brijesh Parnami, CEO Distribution, Mr. Geetam Sopti, Zonal Head North in Punjab and Product Head Unsecured, Mrs. Hina Dhamija, National Manager Human Resources, Mr. Abhishek Singh, Manager Business Development and Special Projects. We congratulate all the winners. Congratulations to the winners, and now we will be moving down to the next category, ladies and gentlemen. The next title, it is for the fastest growing telecom company of the year, and the award goes to none other than Aircel Limited. May I please invite on stage Mr. Rajesh Rampas, CIO, Mr. Sanjeev Chaudhary, GM IT. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome them with a big round of applause as we congratulate them for being the fastest growing telecom company of the year. Congratulations. Now we will be moving down to the next title. It is Real Estate Company of the Year 2013, and it goes to National Buildings Constructions Corporation Limited, and from the same, may I please invite on stage Shri Anup Kumar Mittal, Chairman cum Managing Director, Shri R.L. Mehra, Executive Director, Shri N.P. Agarwal, Senior General Manager, Shri Nilesh Shah, Senior General Manager, and Shri B. Bhattacharya, Deputy General Manager, and also Mr. R.L. Mehra, Executive Director. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and congratulate the winners. They are the Real Estate Company of the Year. Congratulations to the winners. Now, Chairperson Mr. Rajesh Palotia, Director Technical. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as the gentlemen are just joining us on stage and receiving their award for being the Manufacturing Excellence in Personal Care and Home Care Product of the Year 2013. Many congratulations to all the winners in all the titles. Congratulations to Wonder Products. The next title, the next award is for Business Excellence in Banking, and it goes to Bank of Maharashtra, and from the same, may I please invite on stage Mr. Vikesh Sarma, Deputy Zonal Manager, Mr. Indrajit Sidana, Assistant General Manager. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and welcome on stage Bank of Maharashtra, Business Excellence in Banking in the year 2013. Congratulations, Bank of Maharashtra. The next award is for NIIT Technologies. May I please invite on stage the representative from NIIT Technologies. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together as we have the winners coming up on stage. Many congratulations to the NIIT Technologies Limited. Congratulations, gentlemen. Once again, congratulations to both of you and to the brand. And now the next award is for Brand Excellence in Innerwear, and it goes to Rupa and Company Limited. And may I please invite on stage Mr. Rohit to kindly come and receive the award. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together as we have Mr. Rohit coming up on stage. Rupa and Company Limited, the Brand Excellence in the Innerwear. Congratulations to both of you. The next award is for Manufacturing Excellence in Rexine and Artificial Leather Products, and the award goes to Relcom Technology Private Limited. May I please call upon stage Mr. Amit Birman. Mr. Amit Birman is the director, Mr. Ran Singh Birman, he is the chairman, Mr. G.R. Chumbar and Mr. A.K. Chanchal. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and congratulate and welcome Relcom Technology Private Limited on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. The music should be your applauses. So keep on applauding, because each one of you, as I already said, is a winner sitting under this one roof. So all of you are privileged, all of you are winners, all of you are champions. So keep on applauding. And now, the award is for fastest growing BPO ITS in India, and it goes to InfoWorld, a division of Havar Ventures Private Limited. And from the same, may I please invite on stage Mr. Sanjay Havar, Chairman, and Ms. Sukanya Mukherjee, Executive Director. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and welcome on stage InfoWorld. Congratulations to InfoWorld for being the fastest growing BPO in ITS in India. Put your hands together and congratulate them, ladies and gentlemen. Next award is for the Best Innovative IT Company of the Year, and the award goes to 3i Infotech Limited. May I please call upon stage Mr. Krish, heading practice globally, and Mr. Manish Uppal to come and receive their honor. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and welcome on stage the champions, the winners in the Best Innovative IT Company of the Year, 3i Infotech Limited. Congratulations to the winners. The next award is for the Business Excellence in Diamond Jewelry Exporter, and the award goes to HK Designs India. And from the same, may I please call upon stage Mr. Hasmukh Dolakia, Chief Executive Officer, and Mr. Parag Shah, General Manager, to kindly join us on stage and receive their award. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and make it a loud round of applause. Congratulations.